Want to learn how to draw a realistic barn in one-point perspective? I'll walk you through this pencil drawing tutorial step by step, using just a pencil and simple lines. We'll start with a horizon line and a vanishing point. To build the front face and structure of the barn, we'll use a rectangle. We'll use an axe to find the center of the barn for the roof. If your barn structure looks like this, we're on the right track. A little cleanup keeps us from getting confused. Let's connect the corners of our barn and our roof to the vanishing point. We'll add the back wall and the roof with simple lines. Now you can really see the barn start to show up. Next, we can clean up our perspective lines. At this point, we have the basic shape of the barn. Everything from here is about simple, realistic drawing textures that add depth and character. Let's add a simple background with triangle-shaped mountains and rolling hills. In front of the barn, let's sketch in a rustic fence with light lines. We'll darken the mountains and hills with our HB pencil. Changing to a 4B pencil, we'll darken the barn and add doors and windows. Easy vertical lines create the barn boards. Shading under the overhangs gives the barn its weight, and adding grass grounds it. We'll add shading inside the doors and windows of the barn and details to the loft door. Simple lines for the roof and light shading. We'll add shading to the left side of the mountains and hills, since our light source is coming from the right. Adding bushy, grassy texture and tree silhouettes to the horizon line. Use a blending stump to soften and smooth the shading. We'll add a few wood knots to the fence to give it some character. We'll bring the fence to life with shading. Use a blending stump for the finishing touches. A light layer of shading for the ground. Adding a few flicks of grass to the bottom of the fence posts. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step pencil drawing of an old rustic barn in one-point perspective. If you'd like to challenge yourself on a two-point perspective barn, check this video out. Or a one-point perspective cabin, check this video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember, keep it real and draw what inspires you. And I'll see you over at the 2 Point Barn.